Welcome to the ICICI Prudential family. Congratulations on purchasing ICICI Pru Guaranteed Wealth Protector, a plan which provides you with life cover and helps you enjoy equity returns while keeping your capital guaranteed. In other words, a win-win investment. This is an introductory guide to your policy. After going through this short video, you will have a clear understanding of the benefits which this plan offers and the things you need to do to ensure that you get these benefits. Let us first start off with the free look period. To ensure that you are comfortable with this product, we provide you with a 15-day period from the time you receive the policy document to understand the policy. If you find that there are aspects of the policy that you are not comfortable with, you can return the policy to us and you will be eligible for a refund. Let us now start with a guided tour of your policy. When applying for this policy, you would have made two important choices: the premium you will be paying and the number of years for which you will be paying premiums. That is, the premium payment term. Since these two factors determine your policy benefits, we request you to go through your policy kit to ensure that your policy reflects the choice you made when applying for it. This policy has a fixed term of 10 years, which means that the maturity benefits of this policy will be paid out to you at the end of 10 years. This policy comes with two funds: Life Growth Fund, which is an equity-oriented fund, and Life Secure Fund, which is a debt-oriented fund. At the beginning of the policy, your premium will be distributed between these two funds in a proportion which depends on your age. Over time, an increasing proportion of your money will be invested in the Life Secure Fund. The benefit that you will get from this policy will depend on the returns earned by these two funds. Now, let us look at two factors which will be of use to you. Loyalty additions. Starting from the end of the 6th year, we will add 0.25% every year to the fund value if you stay invested for that year. Wealth Booster. At the end of the policy term, that is, at the end of 10 years, we will add 3.25% to your fund value. Loyalty additions and Wealth Booster are our way of thanking customers for remaining invested. They go a long way towards increasing your fund value. Make sure that you pay your premiums and stay invested to receive these benefits. At the end of 10 years, you will receive your fund value as the maturity benefit. Now, here is the unique feature of this policy. What you will get at the end of 10 years will not be less than 101% of the sum of all premiums you have paid, regardless of the returns earned by your funds. This feature is known as the assured benefit, which is why this policy allows you to enjoy the returns of an equity market while being assured that your capital is protected. Let us take a look at an example to illustrate the benefit of this plan. We will take the example of a healthy 35-year-old male paying an annual premium of 1 lakh rupees for a 5-year period. At the end of 10 years, the maturity value, assuming a 4% investment return scenario, would work out to 5,29,686 rupees. And assuming that the fund delivers 8% returns, the maturity value could be 7,24,607 rupees. Your assured benefit will be 5,05,000 rupees, which means that under no circumstances will you get less than this amount on maturity. Do note that 4% and 8% are returns used by the life insurance industry in all illustrations. ICICI Prudential's fund performance is amongst the best in the insurance industry. As of December 2013, majority of our funds have delivered better returns than their benchmarks over a 5-year period. Please note that past performance is not indicative of future performance. At this point, we would like to reiterate that equity investments should be held for the long term, and the longer you stay invested, the greater will be your potential benefits. An insurance plan is meant to protect you and your family from unforeseen events like death of the main income earner in the family. In this policy, if the person whose life is insured by this policy dies during the policy term, we will pay the insurance amount to the family members. So make sure that there is a nominee mentioned in your policy to whom the insurance amount will be paid. We will assist your family members through a hassle-free claims settlement process to help them get the due amount. So, to wrap up, here is a brief synopsis of your policy. You need to select the premium and the number of years for which you will be paying premiums. Your premium will be split between the Life Growth Fund and Life Secure Fund in a proportion which depends on your age. Over time, an increasing proportion of your money is invested in the Life Secure Fund. Your fund value will depend on the returns earned by these funds. Loyalty additions and Wealth Booster will be added to your fund value if you pay premiums regularly and remain invested. At the end of 10 years, you will receive your fund value. Under no circumstances will you get less than 101% of the sum of all premiums paid by you. If the person whose life is covered in this policy dies anytime during the policy term, an insurance amount will be paid out to the nominee. Pay all premiums and stay invested for the long term to make the most of your policy. We welcome you to the ICICI Prudential family and look forward to serving you for a long time. For any further queries about your policy, log on to iciciprulife.com. IRDA clarifies to the public that it does not involve in activities like sale of any kind of insurance or financial products, nor announce any bonus. Public receiving such phone calls are requested to lodge a police complaint.